Can't do a full push-up? Arms give out on the first rep? Hips drop before your chest does? Face hits the floor every time? You're not alone. Most people struggle with this. In fact, around 53% of people can't do 10 proper push-ups. So instead of feeling stuck, step out of that group and start at the right level. Begin with alternating push-ups. Lower yourself like a normal push-up, then come back up on your knees. If that's still too hard, go with knee push-ups. Knees on the ground, hands shoulder-width apart, body straight. Lower down with control and push back up. Don't let your hips sag. This is where many people stay forever. They can do 40 or 50 knee push-ups, but still can't do one full rep. Why? Because knee push-ups make you lift about 60% of your body weight, while full push-ups require around 75%. That jump matters. If knee push-ups feel too tough, try incline push-ups. Place your hands on something sturdy around hip height, a counter, a desk, anything solid. Keep your body straight, lower down, and push back up. The higher your hands are, the easier it becomes. Your chest, shoulders, and arms still work hard, just with less load. If that's still challenging, raise the surface to chest height. Same movement, less pressure. And if everything else feels impossible, start with wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall, hands at shoulder height, lean in, then push yourself back. It might look easy, and you might feel tempted to skip it. Don't. Many people think wall push-ups don't count until they try 3 sets of 30 or 50 and feel the burn. If every other level beats you up, this is your starting point. Here's how to train. Pick the level where you can do 8 to 10 clean reps with good form, not the level you wish you were at, but the one you can actually control. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps 2 or 3 times a week, not every day. Muscles grow when you recover, not while you're training. Once you can hit 3 sets of 12 clean reps, move up one level. For most people, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to go from wall push-ups to full push-ups with consistency. Some take longer, and that's fine. Every level exists for a reason. Someone skipped it, got stuck. Don't be that person. Keep your body straight from head to heels. No hips dropping, no butt in the air. Go all the way down and all the way up. Control every rep. If your wrists hurt, turn your hands slightly outward or do them on your fists. Wrist pain stops more people than weak muscles. If your core gives out before your chest does, add planks after your sets. You wouldn't start a video game at the final boss. You build up from level 1. Hit 3 sets of 12, level up, and repeat. Each level unlocks the next. Push-ups are just one skill. Calisthenics has many more. Pull-ups, dips, pistol squats, handstands. They all follow the same rule. Respect the progression. People skip steps, get stuck, and blame their genetics. The truth is, strength is built step by step. So maybe you can't do a full push-up today. Most people try 3 times, fail, and quit. At least now you have a clear path. Do it for yourself.